Looking for a PC case that nails both insane airflow and stunning RGB lighting, all wrapped in a sleek modular design? Meet the Lian Lancool 2 Mesh RGB, a mid-tower powerhouse built for gamers and creators who want their rig to stay cool, look incredible, and be insanely easy to build in. Stick around, because I'm about to break down every detail that makes this case a total game changer. Starting with the build, Lian is known for quality, and the Lancool 2 Mesh RGB definitely lives up to the reputation. Crafted from sturdy steel with an option for tempered glass side panels, this case not only feels solid, but also gives you a crystal clear view of your components. It comes in sleek black or clean white, letting you pick the style that matches your vibe. Now let's talk airflow, because this case is all about keeping your high-performance parts cool. The front panel is a full mesh design, accompanied by additional mesh areas and a clever honeycomb vent pattern, ensuring your system breathes easily. Included are 3 ARGB 120mm fans, not just for cooling, but to add a dynamic, customizable RGB flare that can sync with your other components for that wow factor. One of my favorite features is how modular this case is. The hinged flip panels allow easy access to the inside. No need to remove screws or struggle with panels. The fan and radiator bracket can be installed in multiple ways, so whether you want to run a big liquid cooling setup or stick with air cooling, you have options. This versatility is perfect if you plan to upgrade your cooling system down the line. Storage is generous, with support for up to 9 drives via a modular drive cage and multiple SSD mounts. For cable management, Lian really thought this through. The two-way cable management bar and well-placed cover plates help keep your cables tidy and out of sight, improving both airflow and the overall aesthetics. Finally, the case is designed with future upgrades in mind. You can get optional kits for additional customization. So as your build grows or your style evolves, the Lancool 2 Mesh can adapt with you. So if you want a PC case that combines robust build quality, exceptional airflow, stunning RGB, and incredible modularity, the Lian Lancool 2 Mesh RGB is absolutely worth considering. Whether you're building a powerhouse gaming rig or a stylish workstation, this case offers the perfect foundation. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more PC hardware reviews and guides, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.